again, we still have two properties we need to implement them, which percent and AC. AC mean just a cleanup, and percent mean like do it a percent, like if you have 1 by 100 divided, just percentage. So to do implement for that part is not so complex. Just say percent, say bu percent, okay, define the method. After you define it, just go here and say, hey, I need to implement this method. So going back here, you define your function and you say bu event, and you name it view as instance of a view in this way, and boom, you're done. What you need to do is just dividing the number by percent. So whatever the number you have in the text, just divide it by percent. So you say, hey, val equal number, and the number will be et show dot text dot whatever. That's input field that have a information about whatever person enter. So dot text dot to string. I would say to double. It is better for me if they offer it. If they don't, if this function is offered, if not, as I see, just you say to string, because I need to convert these data to string, so I would be able to read this. So to string, do double. I don't think they offer double. They offer only string, because the input field need to be changed to string. So now this one have string value. Maybe I could then change the string to do double, maybe, or maybe no, I could change it to double. So this one I have to consider it as a double variable. So taking the value, then set it. So I say, hey, what I need to do is this. I have this number, which is et number dot set text, because I need to set the text, will be equal the value of number by 100. You could divide it directly from here by 100, and you just say et the number dot to string, because you know you cannot say the number directly, because you cannot take double number and add it inside the edit text. So if you just say number, you will get error, because this one set function expect to have you send him a data as string, so you just change the string. So yeah, this is on, you done this part. Still etc like delete. Yeah, delete is not something, also a cleanup. So you say, hey, this one should be bu clean, okay, and make sure just go to the implementation, define the function for bu clean, which is bu clean, which take a view instance of a view. And what he will do, just he do cleanup for this text field. Okay, make a cleanup and display 0 for me inside it. And at the same time, you have to make sure you just this variable you said it is a new operation equal true. So the people, he would know that when someone try to do another operation, directory will consider it as a new operation. Because if you did it as a true, he will not consider the new operation as a new operation, consider it as a previous operation. That's when you will get error. So just close this error and just rerun it and see what the output. Here we go. After a while I get this one. So if I just put any numbers here, 88 by percent, this minus plus, just so percent he give you how much in percent. You say 4, the percent of number 4 again. Hey, why he just repeat them? Why he not a cleanup? What? Because I think the percent, he doesn't have any cleanup after percent, because I didn't say cleanup. So you need to do this one. So if I do 4, I say percent, say 4, then a cleanup. So just really easy to solve. Just add this line also here, and now he will be able to clean up also the percent. So here we're done. Thank you for watching.